Hi friends, I'm Lakshya. Welcome to my channel, Fun Time. Hi guys, I'm Lakshya. Welcome back to my channel, Fun Time with Lakshya. I'm back with a new video. I know that some of you might have celebrated your Friendship Day already and some of you may gonna celebrate on 7th August. So this video is all about Friendship Day. Friendship Day means gifting our friends with presents. So here I am with these beautiful keychains which are handmade. Now let's learn how to make these beautiful keychains in this video. What are you waiting for? Let's get into the video. To make these beautiful keychains, we need modeling clay. I'm using Fevicryl modeling clay, paints, powder to make the dough soft and non-sticky, rolling pin, a circle cutter. If you don't have, you can use your own hands. Some keychain. If you don't have these, you can use your old keychains one. Eye pins. If you don't have eye pins, you can make it with a thin wire. I've also made it from it. Mixing palette, paint brushes, pencil, cutter, tray. Now let's start. You can also get a single packet which is for 30 rupees. In that you will get this resin base and hardener. You have to mix these together to form a grey color dough. So now let's do it. Like this. Now let's mix this. You have to mix it well so that you can get a grey color. Now our dough is ready. Once you have mixed the dough, roll it into a circle and make all the shapes you wish to do, because if you leave, it's going to turn into a rock. You cannot do anything with it. Now I'm going to roll it with a rolling pin. You can use powder so that it doesn't stick on your rolling pin. Rub the powder around the rolling pin. I've rolled out the dough. Now I'm going to cut it with a cutter, circular shape. I am making an ice cream cone to make the wafer part of the cone. Remove the excess clay. Now I'm going to give it a design of the cone. The wafer is ready. Now I'm going to cut in the middle and roll it into a cone. My ice cream cone is ready. Now I'm going to put an ice cream scoop on top. Attach. My ice cream cone is ready. Immediately insert an eye pin so that it doesn't dry. Now I'm going to make another shape, which is a donut. Now to make a donut, roll it into a dough in a circle. Flat it on the both sides. Use a pencil to make the hole in the middle. And now my donut is ready. I am inserting eye pin. Now let these shapes to dry in the sun. Now I'm going to paint the ice cream cone with this color. Now I'm coloring the ice cream scoop with dark pink color. Now I painted the ice cream and the donut according to my taste. Now I'm going to attach the key rings. Here you go, the keychains are ready. You can also make Day beautiful. You can also try to make this at home and give it to your best friends and make them surprise. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, like and share my channel.